My truck no good.
Your truck's no good?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, leaks oil, coolant leak, freaking dicked. You don't drive? I usually take Tiffany's car. Are you mad?
I don't know where we're going though.
Oh, look who decided to grace us with his presence.
What's a what?
Oh, somebody decided to grace us with their presence today.
Get a present?
Yeah.
What kind of present?
Oh dear. Yeah, I was gonna go get. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you?
Well, somebody doesn't have their seatbelt on, so.
Oh, it's Warren just scared the startled crawdad. Something terrible.
You know where we're going?
Oh, get the felon. Gotta go left out at the stop sign here. So much more convenient when you stand in the trailer. Sakes. I was gonna go to see Jim today and pick up a car from his friend. Car broke, so we're gonna get that off him. And next thing you know, crawdads in the driveway. Look at them apples. One day when we talk about Thursday, Sunday.
I don't know, whatever Dale was there last.
I can't remember. I was probably just making
Friday,
stuff up.
I think. Had to drop Chuck off at program. Weld it all together. Spray paint it. Then the next step will be take it all apart and install it. Put it back together. Easy peasy.
Use the yes
That's
welder.
if you can even weld that shit. I don't
Aluminum
know.
welder.
Weld it or not, I don't know. Might have to be nuts and bolts, I don't know.
You have to pop rivet it.
You know what?
We might have to just pop rivet it. A couple pop rivets. And he said just take that, screw it up there. You're supposed to be able to pull the top of the bumper straight back.
That one fell down.
Yeah, this whole piece is loose in there.
Yeah, the Corvette fenders had like the same type of piece.
Let go on that top clip. Which side you start on?
Just from over here. Okay, that one's out. Okay, hold on. Oh, that one's out already.
I can't quite get over there. It's just that one corner is still on the clip.
Oh yeah. Holy fuck, we did it. They really can strip that one in there. Holy. Holy, dude.
Can't get it, force it.
Crawdads, 0 f.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? What's that?
What do you read about it?
You just thundered off. 0 f. Eat that. Eat that. Where's the camera?
Over there.
What is it?
Bumblebee or something. Oh, I wouldn't mind a rag.
A rag. Holy.
Clean this smug up. Oh.
What? What do you want, a new one? Holy
I got
fuck.
one out of the bag.
I got these from your brother's house. These are your brother's house,
My
okay?
brother's house.
Yeah. It's like one of the only things I could pilfer before it just got thrown in the garbage.
I'm gonna get it dirty.
Yeah, I don't have very many left. What in the fuck of an actual man? Did the guy even cut it? Holy, dude. Just fucking ambiguous. Almost cut it.
Oh, it was just the yard guy, and I think he was using a spoon.
Oh, fuck.
And then finally, after about
18 minutes.
Well, I was going to say 15 minutes of watching him try and struggle. I just said, hey, buddy, let's just fold it in half and we'll call her a day.
He's only 3 sticks away.
Oh, I was getting tired of watching it.
Yeah. Oh, we better mic up Crawdad when it's here.
But it's like,
Don't be scared. Oh. What do you think I was trying to stick something in
I wasn't sure
you?
what you're doing and sneaking up on me and shit.
Getting all startled.
Usually when shit like that happens, you end up with a scar on your face and shit. So what exactly is your plan?
41.5 by 14.5. We'll just cut a piece that fits in there, run a couple self-tappers in it, 0 Crawdad's truck, and then spray paint it, call her a day, jab this shit on there. See you later.
I see. All right.
What happened? Is that an awesome idea or what? Oh, now I can't remember my numbers. 41.5 and 14.5. I don't have anything to make a mark.
This, are you using the gibbled piece or the good piece?
Is there a gibbled one?
Oh, I guess you're cutting it to fit anyway, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we could even double it up. What do you think? Okay.
Maybe. Just fold this piece right in half. That'll look like shit though. Be ridiculous. Oh, me buddy same. Oh my God.
Cut the squares out first in the middle.
What if we just take these screws out and we just tuck it all back in here behind this fucking thing, and then it'll just pinch in here with these screws, you know, just put it up in there. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I didn't even know that thing was still on.
Don't be scared. Yeah, don't leave with it. Fuck sakes. You have to turn around. Oh, SD card filled up and friggin'. And then we're finished. So you missed the whole fucking operation, boys. So what was the purpose of that?
Well, so the birds and the rocks and shit don't fly into my rad. Cause catastrophic damage.
You can't even saw it in there.
Well, that's good. That's what I wanted, was camouflage so you don't see it.
Oh, look. Nice! I thought you said that spot wasn't, you couldn't see it.
Oh, I guess you see it a little bit. That's camouflage anyway.
Yeah, you can't see that.
Good enough for
Where are you even
crawdad.
looking?
Enough for crawdad.
Right.
Think I even care?
Oh.
I might take that off and might be able to get my hand in there and put some black tape on it.
Look at all these marks. That one was a good one right there. That one leaked all over the place. Got one there, one there. Got bloody spots all over the place. Hope you're happy.
You want a box of Kleenex to go with your wine?
I'll take some cheese.
Some cheese.
Spray painted everything. If you've been injured working on Crawdad's truck, you may be entitled to compensation.
Not.
Yep.
Put her on the house insurance.
Put it on the house insurance.
It's your house.
Put it on your
How
truck
about it?
insurance. Is that it? We're going to put the Lauren kit on your old truck there? Or
Put the what?
did you even see all that?
See all what?
This junk.
Well, what are you going to do with all that?
Bolted on this.
Bolted on that?
Yeah.
Why? What's wrong with the ones that are on it?
Make it all low.
Well, you gotta work on getting that door shut first.
Oh, did you see the other thing that I got? I'll have to go
Oh,
around this.
what other thing did you got?
I'll have to shunt this you.
A piece of metal that looks like a door, you just weld her in place?
Arthur Fonzarelli coat. Okay, let's go have a look.
Where are you going?
Outside.
Well, back me out.
What? Well, hold on a minute. I gotta show you some stuff.
Oh, sun's shining. That's the whole back half of her.
Yep. It's a little rusty, but it's not all smidged in, so should be able to, you know, at least remake the way it's supposed to be, even if you don't actually use that. Can make the pieces same as that rather than gas, right? You see the gap in here. I mean, there's
Wow. Little cheese. Little cheese, please.
But it looks like the whole, this side of the cab's kind of like, you know, it's like parallelogrammed a little bit too, right? It's like shoved it in and over, so that even like the top of the cab's a little bit kinkapinied.
Little wampus.
A little bit. But I mean, I don't really give a shit as long as the door's open and closed. Zero fucks. Just gonna fucking wreck it anyway. Yeah, guy painted a bunch of it and then quit. Cut her in
And then
half.
cut it off.
Yeah, found another truck that he wanted, you know, and so he took the front firewall and everything off of that one so as to put it on his other truck that had a rotten firewall, I guess. But I already bought the front door off that guy like a long time ago. And then he decided that he was getting rid of the rest of her, so f*** it. Scores!
$40.
And it scores. $40 scores.
Thank you. You want that back?
You freaking out?
They're freaking out.
Hmm.
Why? So you can have everybody listen to me have a pee?
Oh, is that what you did?
Well, I wash my hands first.
You peed on the microphone?
I didn't pee on the microphone, no. I peed in the toilet.
Oh.
A little on the floor, a little on the seat.
Oh, Tiffany really appreciates that, I know.
Leave the seat up.
Just shit it. Shit the seat. Okay, well, hopefully all type of rocks and birds stay out of your grill now.
Alright. Thank you.
Smoke cigarettes.
Make too much racket or I'll be back.
Oh dear, you want to bring a couple self-tappers with you just in case?
Self-tappers.
You need to fucking run them in there, right in the radiator.
Have to figure something out.
Okay.
See you again.
Crawdad said see ya.
See ya!
See you later.